Tepantes!
Hi, everyone. Welcome to a continuation, part 2 of the basic New Testament Koine Greek conversation. So the previous video that I did, we kind of walked through. It's kind of a long video, 45 minutes or whatever. Walk through basic conversation, make sure it's understood in English, and then we said it in Greek. So lots of, you can hear lots of Greek in that video, but there's English. Now we're going to take those basic phrases, the hello, how are you, my name is, kind of stuff in Greek, and actually put it into a video where we have two characters. We're going to have a man and Jesus, these two characters, and they're basically practicing this conversation. That's what we're going to do in this video. This is part 2 to the previous video on learning basic New Testament Koine conversation. So if you haven't listened to that video yet, go on, listen to that first. Here, all that was explained in English in that video, as well as where I spoke each phrase in Koine Greek, of course we use the Erasmian pronunciation, will be demonstrated. We're removing all the English. It's just a conversation, as we just said. It's only Greek conversation going on between these two individuals. So enjoy. Be sure to practice often what you're learning, speaking it yourself, even if you don't have somebody. One thing I did years ago, I started doing, especially when I was in Jerusalem for 2 years, studying Greek and Hebrew, is I started praying in those languages, and that helps a lot. I mean, the Lord could be your prayer partner. He wants you to learn the biblical languages. So anyway, it's very important if you want to internalize a New Testament language, meaning it's very important for you to practice, like speak. You can't just read it, can't just listen to it. Those are important, but you also need to speak it. And that's what languages are for. Languages are meant to be spoken. All right. Nun, ekopros lalias tinos, mataxu Yesu, kai anthroputinos. Now I have a presentation of some conversation between Jesus and some person. Autoi aspazontai alelus, kai manthanus enta onomata auton. They greet each other and they learn their names. Tote la lusen Hellenisti. Then they converse in Greek.
Chaire o anthrope.
Chaire o kurie.
Ti onomasoi o anthrope.
Onoma moi Jacob estin. Ara to onoma soi Jesus eu.
Nai, eu lege su. Onoma moi Jesus estin.
Areske moi edenaise.
Kamoi o Jacob. Poseke su.
Eu eco. Ara kalos ekes o kurie Jesus.
Nai, kalos eko nun.
Sugnomen eke o kurie. Ego hugiaino. Tode paidione mu. U hugiaine auto un kakoseke. Kai no se. Ara tunasai therapeuen auto o kurie. Tote un auto kalos eke.
Nai, ego erko mai therapeuen to paidion su. Ti onoma auto.
Onoma auto Ioannis estin.